Okay, here's our revised drawings from our meeting last week, starting with the bathroom. The vanity, or linen storage, this is 17 inches deep to make room for the switch plate here. These are 21 or 22 inches deep, this vanity cabinet. And this would be a non-functioning drawer. We could do a possible U-shaped drawer with this around plumbing, depending on how that pencils out, and then this would be a usable drawer. So this drawer front would be the width shown, but the drawer box would end somewhere in here because of that 48-inch sink. The left side of the sink will end about where the cursor is, and the same thing here. So there'll just be a bit of a flat panel when this drawer opens. So all the drawers are slab style, and the doors are shaker. Open, painted interior, and this is all paint grade, maybe a Swiss coffee or that same color white with the sample door that you guys have. This steps out 9 inches. The little shelf here, this would be a solid surface or stone, quartz, granite top. And then the height, which we increased, the height of these is 32.5. We'll add about 1.5 inches for countertop and decking, and then that 2-inch lip for the sink height. The wall unit, king size bed, and then we can do that crosshatch style or a different style door than what we've got shown here, or just stick with this split, but just a limitation with the program. If we do a split door similar to this, we just have a rail here and here into 3 sections. And these, let's see, it's going to be easier to look at this way. So if we do a flipper door, so these would open up and slide back in, and we can see let's look at this a little complicated, but essentially a cabinet inside a cabinet here. It's not very clear, but there's just a little pocket for those doors to slide back into, and then some adjustable shelves inside. But this bottom section would be used for to store items, water, alarm clock, and phones on. So this main section of the wall unit is 26 deep. The base is 25, and the upper is 18. So we're going to have a little bit of room here on the front for the to store items on. So if this is 26, this is 25. The countertop would be flush with the corner of this, and you can see it's set back. Paneling on the sides, crown molding across the top. You do that shelf back here, which I believe shows in the plans. Yep. So that shelf here, and then there'll be this is open, meaning exposed wall, and there'll be a nailer or a piece that drops down towards the back about 1 foot just for structural, and then that lift mechanism is inside there. So the overall width of this is 79.25, and then 30 inches on either side. And then the last item is the utility room. So the only thing we changed with this was reducing this size, which was 30, down to 24, which made this Lazy Susan a little bit bigger. But that was the only change that we had on this from last time. So there you are. Let me know what you think. Thank you.